We're gonna hit a lat pull down. So what I want you to do is you're gonna adjust the bench where your legs fit comfortably under this right here so it holds you down and you don't move up and down. You wanna make sure when you hold the bar, you have a 90-degree angle. For me, I put my middle finger on the lines on this bar, but you hold it right about here. Watch 90-degree angles, you gotta hold the bar. Perfect. Go ahead and have a seat in there. You wanna lean back slightly, shoulders down. Hold it nice and tight, put your thumbs around, it's tight, shoulders are down. Now I want you to pull down, bringing it as far down as you can into those lats and squeeze them. Breathe in on the way up, come up to right before locking, and then blow out and come down and squeeze your back. Make sure your elbows are under your wrist. They're not back or too much forward. Keep them right under your wrist like everything almost that we do. Here we go. Come down, squeeze. Shoulders are down even when he's extending up. So you've got to really lock those shoulders down and it works your upper back. When you go down also, I want you to make sure that your hands don't come forward like this. A lot of people do it because they're trying to overcompensate. Not right. This machine, you just want to keep it as close to your face as you can without hitting your face.